Mr. Van Damage.
Making his way to the ring,
Mr. Van Damage.
Weighing in at 220 pounds, the United States Champion, JCVD.
From the streets to the ring, I rise, steel in my fist.
And despite the fact that the title is not on the line here, I still expect the champ to come out and fight his normal fight.
I'm with you, Michael. He just likes to fight. It doesn't matter to him that the title's not on the line here.
Mr. Van Damage. Mr. Van Damage. From the streets to the ring, I rise, steel in my fist, fire in my eyes. I'm the outlaw of pain, the legend you fear. JCVD, the warrior is here. Yeah. Y'all feel me?
And his opponent, first, from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds,
Feel so
the
clean, I'm the
masked
fake
man.
romancer. Mask on face, gold on my chance. I talk, I walk. Benz in the Benz, yeah, I come in the suit shining like Teflon. Smear a smile on your face, the lobby is my salon. Wash your hands, brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2-on-1 handicap match is coming up next.
Why do you sound so excited, Cole? You know it's matches like this that cause careers to end prematurely. And let me tell you, that is nothing to be excited about.
So you air and call it a melody. Yeah. Y'all feel me? Feel so. I'm the lobby lancer, money dancer. Bill so clean, I'm the fake romancer. Mask on face, gold on my chance. I talk, I walk. Benz in the Benz, yeah, I come in the suit shining like Teflon. Smear a smile on your face, the lobby is my salon. Wash your hands, brother, I launder money. And if it stinks, it's only because of the rum. Politics.
Pure gold.
And his partner, from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 232 pounds, the WCW World Heavyweight Champion, Goldust.
Erratic. Strange. What an entrance. It's mesmerizing. It's intoxicating.
Here we go as we kick things off in this handicap match.
You know, even though the title is not on the line, this is still an important match for the champ. He can't afford to show any weakness here. What a stomp! Good grief! Nailed it! You gotta believe this one's over! We've seen some pretty lopsided handicap matches over the years, and one that stands out in my mind, well, it might just be the 2010 encounter that saw John Cena take on 6 members of the Nexus. Elbow drop! Right to the heart.
That 6-on-1 match Byron brought up earlier actually could have even been more lopsided. If you remember, it was originally supposed to be 7-on-1, but John Cena was able to take Darren Young out of the equation when he injured him the week prior.
Well, you know what? He should have kept taking Nexus members out, because even without Darren Young, the Nexus was able to accomplish their goal that night, defeat John Cena.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. He definitely has his work cut out for him here in this handicap match.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see.
There are certain superstars who are synonymous with handicap matches. Of course, there's Andre the Giant, and more recently, Braun Strowman. But I don't think I've ever seen anybody in more handicap matches than Big Show, guys.
I couldn't agree with you more about what you were saying earlier, Michael. It seems like Big Show has been in dozens, if not hundreds, of handicap matches. And believe it or not, I'd say he won the majority of them.
Yeah, but I can tell you one he didn't win. How about on SmackDown back in July of 2008 when he was forced to take on MVP Vladimir Kozlov, Shelton Benjamin, and...
Looking at it here. This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's really looking to prove a point.
Super kick.
Good night. Now that's how you make a statement.
And he breaks up the pinfall.
Let's keep fighting. In WWE, there's as much chaos outside the ring as there is inside the ring.
Try working with Saxton at ringside.
Look out!
He paid for that one.
Oh, man, big time.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
You better be careful not to get disqualified.
He wants no part of the outside. That'll do some serious damage.
He's on his heels.
A lot can go wrong in a match like this, guys. In fact, I'll be surprised if we don't see a major injury occur here tonight.
He goes for the cover. This guy's a competitor. He's not going down yet.
Gonna take more than that.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Boom! To Corey's point, handicap matches are an incredibly dangerous atmosphere, and being outmanned in any way, whether it's by 1, 2, or even more competitors, can result in serious injury.
Or in the case of Braun Strowman, you can be outmanned and still somehow be the one delivering the injuries. I mean, he is absolutely unbelievable.
As we tear the features clean off your face.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Goldust gets out of the way quickly.
Boom, what impact!
I always loved a good handicap match growing up, especially when you'd see Andre the Giant go up against 2 or 3 jabronis. Despite being outmanned, you always knew Andre would walk away with the win.
Back now inside the ring. Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
Oh my goodness, this hurts. Oh!
Oof!
Goldust has the shoulders down early. Gets the shoulder up. Wow, what's it going to take?
He's still in this. Oh, nasty impact.
This could be all she wrote.
That might just be the final kick. But can he follow up here?
He's got him covered. 1, 2. No, he kicks out. Nicely done.
Nice kick out.
He might. Oh, clothesline!
But he's got a harsh impact.
This might be it.
Oh, my. I don't think this is how Goldust saw this thing play.
Here's the cover for the win. This guy just refuses to quit.
Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight? Oh, boy, he is rolling. Goldust looking to end things. Curtain call. That was beautiful.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
Looking for all the glory here. No trouble getting out of that one.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Oh, man. Right at the point of the elbow.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
We have seen him here before. Send him up for the... I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. A minor miracle might... He's cheating, Ref! He's cheating!
Stop being such a tattletale, Cole.
Referee barely had time to begin a count there.
Not super kick. Good night.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he?
The shoulders are down. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Counter here.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Goldust apparently thinks he's all that, and right now, nobody can argue.
Oh, what a slam. He could pin his opponent right here. And he manages to get the shoulder up.
He needs to change something fast, guys.
Cross the shoulders, up and...
Gutbuster! Can he finish him off here?
He may get the 3 count right there. 2! And he's able to get out.
That's all right, Cole.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Man, I'm getting tired just watching him.
Oh, turn down the lights, kick everybody out.
Put it in the books. We're looking at yet another win.
Look at this. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
Wow, I am impressed.
What a stomp.
Good grief. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Too quick for him there.
He can't take much more.
He's looking at... Super kick!
Good night.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you.
That should do it right there. 2! Boom, what impact! Oh, and he reverses it. Oh, his feet are on the ropes. His feet are on the ropes.
I expected as much from him tonight.
He got body on body there, but that's about it. Wow.
Ooh, nasty impact.
I like the combination punch.
Super kick!
When this guy's on, look out. Oh no, we know what this is. You gotta believe this one's over.
That might have done it, Cole.
And now one more time. Just a step quicker, it looks like. Tag is made.
What's gonna happen here?
Looking for the finish.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
One more look.
Super kick! Good night.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
We got to cover. One, and there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time.
Beautiful technique.
Oh, no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left.
Lariat.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Cross the shoulders, up and blockbuster. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
His shoulders are down. Two.
Barely at 2.5.
Wow, what's it going to take?
Oh, that hurt. Knee to the spine. He knows he's in trouble. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh boy, he is rolling. Huge toss. The end may be super kick.
Good night.
Here's his moment, Michael.
He thinks he has it. One, two.
True testament to grit.
How in the world?
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle.
Look at this. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. And here's a cover. Two. And he got a near fall out of it.
Yeah, but he's hurt, guys.
Oh, turn down the lights. Kick everybody out.
Curtain call. That was beautiful.
Put it in the book. Got the shoulders down. One. Didn't have to dig very deep to kick out of that one.
It's going to take more than that.
Look out, down he goes.
And he might not get back up.
That's how you use the ropes to your advantage. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form. Boom, right across the small of the back.
No, he reverses it. Uh-oh.
Birdsong. Drop kick. Oh, great height.
Oh, what a combo. Here's the cover. One, two. A kick out, and he almost had him.
Gonna take more than that. Man, I'm getting tired just watching it.
When this guy's on, look out.
Counter here.
Goldust with a nice reversal.
Ah, what a neck breaker.
Goldust picking one is over.
Not gonna stop until it gets the job done, I guess. Oh, my, oh, what a backbreaker.
Man, just ugly impact.
Oof.
Headbutt to the back of the neck. Ooh, what impact.
Well, I think a lot of people saw this handicap match going a lot differently, myself included.
Goldust loves to play mind games.
Oh, nasty impact. That might have just shattered their face.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
What a match this has been, guys, and it's starting to look like these superstars are beginning to feel the effects. Guys, it's imperative he gets back in the ring.
Yeah, otherwise he's looking at a count out. Oh, like a heavy bag.
Irish whip. He gets him with a reversal.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
We've seen this super kick.
That should do it.
And will this be it?
Yes.
2, 3.
Mr. Van
Yes!
Damage.
Takes it! That's what makes a handicap match one of the most unpredictable in WWE.
Mr. Van Damage.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again.
I rise, steel in my fist, fire in my eyes. I'm the outlaw.
Here is your
the
winner,
legend is here. JCVD, the warrior is here.
What a grueling match. It looked like anybody's match there toward the end. Sometimes you step in the ring and just refuse to lose. I think that's what we saw here tonight.
And it's match